Still catch a fish. They're looking at it. There it is. Nice. Spot number 2. Didn't have any more luck at that first spot, so we're moved on to a different, smaller creek. Something a bit more humble, you know. Thinking about just going with the waxworm right away. See what lies. See what sort of fish lie in these waters, you know. Because that was really cool catching them on that. All right, let's hook one up. First cast. It's just now starting to rain, so that may help us. That's a fish. Oh, it came out. No way. That's a good sign. We can confirm there are actually fish in here. I don't know how that got unhooked. That's a fish. Oh, he's definitely hooked. Yes! All right, fish number 1 at the second spot. Oh, he is feisty. Oh, totally different coloration than the ones at the last spot. Look at that blue spot. It may have something to do with this overcast we got going now. I'm starting to think that this may be the best lure for catching any type of sunfish, panfish. That is beautiful. Wow. So cool. All right, let's let him go. Let's go for fish number 2. Oh, nice. Fish number 2. Oh, it's so sick. Look at the red coloration on this one's fins. I hope you guys can see that. Really neat. Love these little sunfish. I'm wondering if I can catch one biting on the GoPro. That would be really awesome. Nice little creature. Whoa, that's a big creature. That is the biggest creek chub I've ever caught. He's stocky. I don't know how big these guys get, but I mean, that's the biggest one I've ever actually hooked. So, all right, let's get him back in. Tiny little fish. Man, these worms last forever. I've caught 3, 4 fish on this one now, and caught 5 fish on the one earlier, so it's so sick. Look at that. Oh, got some unfortunate news. I don't know if I can pass down there. It's blocked by a bunch of trees and hangovers and whatnot. And I don't really feel like walking through the jungle to get to the other side of that. I'm not sure. We may have to try going downriver. See if we can find some deep spots. It's all also pretty shallow from back there. Yeah, let's do a reverse and see what's down the other way. I know there's fish down there. I don't know how they're not biting this lure. Fish. Yes, nice. God, that took a long time. Let's go. Fish number, I don't know. I'm starting to lose count. All right, excuse the dirt, but this dude's got a major injury. Look at the top of his head. He's got whacked. That was not me, I promise. What a crazy fish. All right, let's get him back. Oh, that was a good one. Okay, so I had been seeing fish strike surface right over here. So I was like, oh, let me just cast over there, see if I can get one to come up and hit this. And that was a good fish too. And my line got caught on the tree. Let's see if I can still catch a fish. They're looking at it. There it is. Nice. That was so sick. Oh, it's the biggest one we caught in this little creek. Okay. Wow, check this. Oh, well, let's see if I can get him unhooked. Dude, check this fish out. The colors on this thing are crazy. Look at its belly, it's so orange. I don't think I've ever seen one of these sunfish with such an orange belly. It's so awesome, look at it. Wow, okay. Sick. Alright, biggest fish out of this creek. Looks like the topwater approach is actually pretty good, at least for this little spot over there. It was not working down the creek a little bit more, but for some reason right here they are just eating every little bug that lands, so we're gonna keep trying this and see if we can catch another big one. So cool. Release number, what is that, like 40? Nah. Cool. It's starting to become clockwork. Awesome. That fish looks a bit more normal than the last one. There we go. Another one. This one's super fat. He's been eating a lot. I guess this is the only type of fish that this body of water has. So easy. It's a wax worm, sunfish and panfish. Okay, so not the worst day of fishing ever. Really only caught, microfish, I guess, but that's kind of what we were targeting with the lures we were using. So I was really pretty surprised at how well that waxworm lure did. If you made it to this point and you're still watching, that's awesome. You're awesome. Appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.